Hi guys, hi, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. Today is April 19th, 2023, and today is my 4-year anniversary on YouTube. Yep, 4 years I've been crocheting on YouTube, guys. And here I am. Thanks for putting up with me. Thanks for sticking around with me. What am I doing? Well, guys, I remembered why. Do you remember in my last video, I bought all these cones of cotton from We Crochet, the Dishie worsted weight cotton. Well, guys, I remembered one of the items that I planned on making. I remembered because I have it saved in my to-do list. So I, excuse me while I brag. Is that not the cutest? Look at that. Oh, guys. It's a plant hanger. Now, I goofed up because I was supposed to go around this. This is just, I found an old key ring. And I attached the, you know, the whatevers to the key ring. But I goofed up and cut my yarn. I shouldn't have cut my yarn. I'll link in the description box the video tutorial that I followed to make this. But look, it's actually, look, doesn't that look like soil underneath? Isn't that cute? That is so cute. I love it. So I showed my daughter and she goes, oh, you can make one of those. I'll take that for Bethany's bedroom and make another one for the new baby's bedroom. And I went, okay. So I made the white pot. The white pot. There you go. There's the plant that's in it. And I added a little bit of stuffing. Polyfill, whatever you want to call it. So you can take your leaves and manage them as you wish. You can hang this in your car if you're a plant lover. You can hang it on your rear view mirror. I've seen that been done before. So cute. Hey, Mother's Day's coming up, guys. Maybe your mummies would like a little hanging plant. Oh, cuteness overload. So that was my first one, and now I made my second one. I think I overstuffed this guy just a little bit though. He's coming out of his soil. But that's hey, that's true to life with some of your plants, isn't it? And I didn't attach him too well to my soil, so he's a little loosey-goosey. But that's okay. There's a lot of plants out there that come out of their soil. And so right now I'm making the chain part of it to hook up. I like the color of this one because this is more a natural terracotta, you know, a terracotta plant. Yeah. And I don't know why, but my base of this one, I did the same thing, but my base is shorter. And I think it's because you do, one of the rounds you do front loop only. And I think I did more than one front loop only. I don't know. I did something, or maybe I just didn't do enough rows. But this is a shorter, fatter one than this. This is a longer, not so stuffed one. But what do you think? Are they adorable? Like, hello. So cute. And I have another, wait a minute. I got another soil part done, and I made another, because this is the one that takes you longer, you know, all the plant leaves. And these little baskets for them, they whip up in no time at all. So I thought, well, I'll get ahead of the game and just make a bunch of the leaves. A succulent. I think that's what this is called. Succulent, hanging succulent plant. So I made another one of those, and I think I made too many, but you know what? If you want to, you can make a, one of those pot plants. If you do the, what is it? Number 3 pot plant. If you want, I told Steven, I said, oh, maybe I'll make one of those. He goes, don't you dare. Because I think they would sell. A lot of people want to have some hanging pot plant in their car. Well, that's an instant pullover bust, isn't it? If you do that. Well, it's illegal here in Canada. Yeah, but you're not supposed to be driving under the influence. Yeah, so I made, yeah, there's my next one. This one has too many leaves. Oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think the bottom one, I overdid it on the leaf department. And I have, so there's my soil. Right, there's your soil. So you make 2 of these. You make this one, then you make you do 5, and then you do another one of 5, and then through the hole, you take your yarn and pull it through, and then you'll have your soil, right? And then you take all your yarns and pull them through. So don't make the mistake I did. After you finish making these, don't be cutting off, leave long enough yarn that you can pull through and tie them. The other ones I cut right off, and I was like, oops, I'm supposed to use that to tie this all together. And what else? So yeah, so I've got 2 done, 1 on the way, another one. I don't know why I did a second. I think I forgot that I made, oh yeah, because I attached the base, and it was sitting on the table, and I thought, oh, I got to make another base. But I was always ahead of the game, and I did make a base, so I don't need this base. But like I said, I'm gonna make a bunch of these. Yes, sirree, Bob, I am. And then you can also probably add little berries, if you want to just do little balls of yarn, and probably do little berries on your plant if you want. Yeah. So that is it, guys. That is what I ordered all that cotton yarn from that I showed in that video where I ordered all that cotton yarn. That was this was one of the things. And I also remembered the second thing that I was going to make a bunch of. So I'm going to be working on that, and I will show you that in my next video. So I love you guys as always. Oh, listen to this, guys. Last week we hit 30 Celsius. We were hot as balls here, guys. Hot as balls for a week. And then yesterday it dropped down to minus whatever, and the wind is crazy wind. We did get some rain. We got a bit of flurries. Nothing stayed though. It is so cold and windy now. When you go up to 30 Celsius and then you drop down to below whatever Celsius, I think it was -9. Well, I'll tell you, -9 in the winter feels nice when you're in the winter, but not when you're having a week of 30 plus. That -9 feels really cold then. Yeah, it does. Okay, well, I'll let you guys go. I'm sure you got a lot of things to do today. And thanks, everybody, for tagging along with me today. And thanks, everybody who's been with me for the 4 years. Who has been with me since I started my YouTube channel? Comment below if you have been. And comment below if you're just new and joining me. Or just comment below, hey, I met you 2 years ago. I met you 3 months ago. That's kind of cool to find out. And say, hey, I'm from wherever, and I just found you wherever ago, however long ago. And if you found me through somebody, I'd say, hey, well, I found you through so-and-so. Yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be cool to read, guys. Anyway, I'll let you guys go. These are going to be heading over to the UK when I head over to the UK. So cute. Love them. And I love her tutorial. As I said, I'll link it below. It's a great little tutorial. She doesn't speak. She just, you're zoomed in on her hands and she has what to do. You've written across. So you don't have to, I know sometimes if I'm, excuse me, if I'm listening, if somebody's too chatty in their tutorials, I have a hard time processing. I have to like hit mute and go, okay, wait. Okay, when I crochet, I don't know, is it me? I need complete silence. I have to concentrate. Unless, you know, like I'm used to now making those grainy square blanket things. If you know what you're doing, I'm fine. But if I'm just learning how to do something, I need to stay focused. I need all background noises gone. So that's what I like about her tutorial, is straightforward, no BS, you know, no loud music. It's just, here's what you're doing. She's doing it. And then the words are typed along the bottom of what to do. Perfect tutorial for Lisa. Love it. Okay. Bye, guys. See you on the streets. Love you all. Thanks. Bye.